Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this video is about find and replace. I made several videos on this morning, and it was irritating me. And if you watch those videos, you'll understand what I'm talking about. These are 16-point lines. If I would go to find and replace objects and replace outline pen, when I click on this, it would be to inches, and my drawing is in points, so I had to click on points, and we'll go to 16, and then I'm going to go and change this to points, and I'm going to make it 0.5, let's say, and then finish, replace all, and it changed them all. But it was a little irritating, and I couldn't figure out because my pen outline here is in points. My pen outline here is in points. And I looked all through to customization, and I actually contacted Roger with Corel Draw. He's their head educator, and he knows more about Corel than, he's probably forgotten about more about Corel than I know. And he says right here, I'm set to inches. He said, basically it's a bug, and he's going to look into it. It should not be this way, but if you go to set this on points, which would totally mess you up, then when you go to find and replace, find object, replace pen outline, and now when you click on it, you get points. It's going off this, and it should be going off this. So if you ever want to do that, it'd save you a little bit of time to change your inches to points, or if your millimeters to points real quick, and then do your find and replace. And then after you've done it, well, let's just do it real quick. See how much find and replace objects, pen outline, next. See, I've already got the points. I'm going to go to 16. I've already got the points. I'm going to go to 0.5, and I'm going to hit finish and replace all. And then as soon as you're done with that, just change this back to inches. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.